Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone by scanning their QR code on Revolut. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay someone by scanning your QR code on Revolut. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Revolut. Now, once you're logged into Revolut, you want to click on the profile icon on the upper left-hand corner. And then underneath your name, you're going to see an @ with your username. You should see a tiny QR icon. Go ahead and click on that. So what you have here is your QR code for someone to pay you. Now, if you click on pay, this is how you can scan their QR code so that you could actually pay someone by using their QR code on Revolut. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and scan a QR code or pay someone using your QR code on Revolut. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.